Hello everyone. Today's topic is importance of management from chapter 1, that is nature and significance of management. Before anything, let us discuss a situation. Suppose in an organization there are no managers, all the individuals are working independently. All of them do whatever they want to do. There is no coordination, there is no management. So just imagine the chaos it will create. There will be no sense of direction, the efforts will be wasted, resources will be misused or misdirected, and they eventually end up achieving nothing. So we can say, yes, management is important. So moving on, I have written 6 points regarding importance of management. Let's start with the first one that says that management helps in achieving organizational goals. Yes, I have discussed it many times that every organization has some predetermined goals and management performs such business activities which helps in achieving those goals, right? It is the task of a manager to integrate the individual's efforts to the organization so that they can achieve their organizational goals, right? So let's move on to the next one that says that management helps in achieving personal objectives. Yes, every organization has some personal objectives because there are people working in it. Managers have to be constantly motivating their employees so that they will be fully satisfied and happy with their work and contributes towards the achievement of the goals. So we can say that management also helps in achieving the personal objectives. Third one is management helps in the development of society. Management helps in the development of its organization, and that helps in the development of the society. It helps in creating good quality products and services. It creates employment opportunities and others which help in growth and development, right? Next is it increases efficiency and reduces cost. Now the aim of any manager is to reduce costs and increase efficiency by better planning, controlling, directing, organizing and staffing functions the activities of the organizations which a manager performs. So managers help in the optimum utilization of the resources, whether it's human resource or material. We can say that management is important to increase efficiency and reduce cost. Fifth point is that management creates a dynamic organization. We know that all organizations have to function in an environment which is constantly changing. And it is generally seen that individuals in an organization resist change, and many times it means moving from a safer environment to a more challenging one. So here comes the role of the manager to make his people ready to accept the changes or to adapt to the new environment so that he can gain an edge over its competitors. Let's take an example of Amazon. For about more than 20 years ago, Amazon was a much different company than it is right now. I know it is very hard to believe for you guys, but Amazon started off as an online book retailer, and not go to online retailer that sells everything you could possibly think of, from TV and computers to groceries and whatnot. So Amazon took the opportunity of the growing use of online shopping, and look where it is with their net worth of $150 billion. And so the point is that with the help of management, keeping up with the changes becomes less difficult. Now, our last point is optimum utilization of resources. Organizations use resources for their production of products and services. So, management aims at using the resources in such a way that will leads to its optimum utilization and helps in reducing cost, which will eventually help them in gaining more profits. So that's it for the importance of management. I hope you guys understood it. And if you guys have any problem or doubts, please ask me in the comment section, or you can DM me. Like, share, and follow. Thank you so much.